So here we have a VL Group A Brock Commodore Plus Pack. A very special car. A lot of people enjoyed the Brock Commodores. This is the last produced model, the VL. Our car here is number 480 of 500 Plus Pack. A little bit special because the Plus Pack was a car that added some extras. Bilstein shocks, sunroof, painted Momo wheels. The car is showing in a traditional red. Very special on this car because Brock introduced in his later days an energy polarizer, a device that had all sorts of claims. It was supposed to make the car go a lot better performance-wise, and the polarizer sits on the firewall, and of course it caused a lot of bother for Brock. GMH weren't quite sure whether it worked or not. For instance, they recommended putting 22 pounds tyre pressure with the polarizer, and a lot of people were maybe a little bit unsure of the car. He didn't quite get the treatment from GMH that he might have expected, and the termination of Brock occurred after this car. So 500 were built to homologate. This is number 480, a very special car. More content, check out our YouTube channel.